Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube video. In this video we'll be learning how to create a toolbar. So here you can see a toolbar with three dots. Here's settings, you get a toast, and here's search bar. So in this video we'll see how to create this using Kotlin and XML. Let me close my emulator and create a new project. For this I have already created a new project using XML and Kotlin. So for that you need to go to new project. You need to go to empty views activity. Don't go to this one, this is for Jetpack Compose. All the beginners do this mistake and then ask why I'm not able to see my XML file or why is my layout not same as yours. So don't go to this one, go to this one and then press next. Name something and click finish. I won't because it will make a new project. I already have one project for the video. Let me close this and open my project which I have made. So this is an empty project. Here you can see I just have my main activity file and activity.xml file. So yeah, so for creating a menu bar, what we need to do is we need to go to res folder, we need to go to new, we need to go to Android resource directory. Here you need to set a value which will be your directory name. My directory name will be menu bar. So I'll say menu bar. Value should be menu because I want to create a menu, and then press OK. It will make a new directory over here in your resource folder. I'm repeating the steps. What to do is go to res folder, go to new, go to Android resource directory, write a name over here, let's say menu bar, select a menu and then click OK. Here you will get a menu directory. What you need to do is click on new and then create a menu resource file. I'll create a new menu resource file. I'll say menu, let's say menu, let's say menu bar only. I don't want to do anything else. Menu bar, let's say OK. Yeah, so here we got a resource file for the menu bar. So in menu basically there is only an item, so you need to create an item. This is self-closing item. Here you can give an ID. ID can be, let's say we want to create a search, so ID will be search. There will be a title, whatever you want to show, so it will be called as search. Let me create it as a string resource. Yep. And here you need an icon. So for icon, what we will do is we'll go to drawable, we'll go to new, we will go to vector asset. Here click on clip art, this thing, and here search, search. So unfortunately, like I think I have opened my screen recorder, that's why I'm not able to see search icon. I will select this icon for now. I think you guys will be able to get search icon, but I think I got my uh, screen recorder, emulator, all those things open, so it's not able to get it. I'll select this 10k thing, but mind it, you can get the search icon. Press OK, press next, then press finish. Here I'll take my icon, that is, we'll press Ctrl and space to get the hints. What is the name? It's baseline 10k24. So yeah, we got the icons. So what else we can do? There's something called as action view class. So what it should be, it should be toolbar. No, not this. There's something called as view as action. So what we need to do is we need to get show as action, actually show as action. So what we can do is we can say if there's room or if there's space in the top, place it over here and make it collapsible as well. So this is our search, and the next thing we need to get is, like, what we can do is we can actually give it a view class as well. So what what it does, which I took earlier, but then I move back. Like action view class should be search view, so it is basically performing search actions. I don't know why it's giving errors. Okay, so just control alt and space, alt and enter, it will fix this. I don't know what I did wrong. Alt space update app. Okay, it should be app action view class, not Android. So this will make your search thing. So basically this is something that shows like what you want to do. Like if there is space, this is OR operator. So if there is room, then place it on the top and make it a collapsible. So collapsible means it can go like this. And action view class means what action it does. It is basically a search view. The next thing we need to do is again create an item. I'm sorry, give it an ID, then make it like what to give, like let's say settings, what I showed you. Then go to title, then let's say we want to name it settings only. Give alt and enter, the strings for this. Then we can take an icon, not this icon. And I don't know why I'm not able to take good icons. Maybe because I'm just doing all the things together and my PC is not able to support. See, now icons are coming. So what could be a good one? We can take this one. I know this is not for settings, but I don't know, like usually this happens when I open a lot of application at once. It is not able to load. So I'll take this ESC unit. You can take the settings icon, you will be able to get it if you'll make your application. So let's go to AC unit. Oh, I know these are abstract icons, but what we can do now is this only. So these are the two icons that I got. I don't want to do like collapsible thing over here, or this is nothing. Like we don't even need to make it a collapsible, it's just setting. You click here and go to settings, and then we don't need to make it a widget. Like it doesn't do anything, it just, maybe if you'll use intent, it go to another activity. So yeah, let's move to main XML file. Here what you can do is you can basically remove this, and for now I'm not using constraint layout. You can use constraint layout as well. We can use relative layout for this, or we can use constraint as well if you want to use constraint. So I'll choose relative because in constraint we need to give a lot of constraint. I don't want to. Let's select relative layout. Here what we can do is we can just say menu, not this. We can say is toolbar, and you can select this one, the compact widget thing. You can say the width should be wrap content, the height should be match, okay, opposite, not this, otherwise it will go too large, and it should be match parent, so it will go like this. Okay, perfect. What we can do now is we can basically get uh, an ID for this. I always prefer having IDs on the top, so ID can be toolbar. Yep. And let's make it a self-closing tag, and where you want to make it, I will say align parent top true, so it's always on the top. What else we can do is we can actually attach our menu, what we made, that is at the menu bar. So this has attached, so as you can see over here, our menu bar thing is coming. So what else we can do? Are we missing on anything? I don't think we need to do anything else. We can give it a color if we want, like let's say background hashtag 90. Oh, this was looking good. I'll give it this color. I think these are zeros only. Okay, not zeros. I'll give it to this color. I'm liking this color. Okay, so this is basically our search. This is basically, this will let to go to settings. I don't know why I'm not able to get my vector reset. Let me try it once again. If I'll be able to get it, I'll place. No, so I'm not able to. You guys will be able to see it, no problem. Okay, so let's go to main activity. So what we need to do over here is we need to take the reference of our ID And one more thing, like we gave menu bar IDs or not. Yeah, we gave it settings and we gave it search. It should be smaller. Yep, perfect. And we can do this. Yep, title is fine. Settings, search, perfect. So now what we can do is we can go to main activity. We need to take the reference of this toolbar first. So how to do this? Just say val tb equals to find view by id. What type it is? It is toolbar. So this one we chose. So toolbar. Then we need to go r dot id dot, what is that? Toolbar. So basically this is how we take reference. Now what we can do is we can make something like toolbar dot set on this one, set on menu click item click listener. So basically it means like what to do when menu item is clicked. So it's a listener. So now what we can do is we can place a when it dot item id. So this is basically switch case. So when this is clicked, what to do? So our first id is r dot id dot search. So what to do when search is done? We'll just make a toast, and here we need to pass the context. This should be this. Here we need to tell the text. So I'll say searching. Here in this thing, in this when statement, we need to pass true. Then again we need to create something like this, similar to this for our settings. I'll do copy paste. What we can do here is we need to select settings. So again press dot setting. Let's rename as to settings. And what if these things doesn't happen? So we need to give a else statement. Not over here, I think we need to give it down below. Okay. Okay, we need to give it over here only, else. Yep, I think this seems fine. Why is this giving error? It says like this is not in it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I got it, why we are getting error. We need to have something like this, not that. And I think if we don't even place it, still fine, but I'll place it. Yeah, perfect. And find view by id tb, it's perfect. Not find view by id. I don't think we are missing on something. Item id. I think this is fine. Let's run it and check what is the error, if there is some error. Otherwise it's showing anyways. It was showing anyways. This happens a lot of time in Android Studio. It just shows you error anyhow. I'll just pause the video and turn it on whenever it's done. Okay, so here we go. Our griddle build is done and our new project is created. And here we can see what is this. We can just pop it out for a while. Yep, so this is the settings thing. It shows settings, and this is our search. Here you can basically search hi, hello, or the video is done, so we can say thank you. So yeah, this was it. In the next video, what we can do is we can create bottom navigation, which is over here, just like Instagram. So yeah, this is done. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.